Okay, I'm going to go with a dog cooler style shroud. And the problem is you can't get to the snut when you're doing that. And this is a universal case, so it didn't have the case nut put in. This case nut, you can get them, a couple of companies sell them, AA Performance and others. I think I got this at AA Performance. But what I got to do is drill this hole out to a little bit bigger or as close to 13.5 millimeters. Because if I take this and I check it right here, come up, see if I can show you better. See, if I go here, this is, where the charades are, but I'm going to go where the piece that's going to go in. And that's just over 13.5. But if I go here, that's, 14.8, so it's a millimeter bigger. And that's serrating that holds it when you tighten the nut down. So I want to get the hole as close to a 13.5 as I can, which that is, and I'll put this down, don't lose it. I have a 1732, which if you look at that and I check it, it's right at about 13.3. So it's a little bit smaller. I might have to take a file to it. A lot of people do it to a 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step it up to a 1/2 inch and then to this. I'm not going to try and go straight to this because I don't want to mess my case up, especially after all these years. I just got a project for it. So you're going to learn with me, and hopefully everything goes well. If not, you're going to hear me try. So the first one I'm going to try to drill through now is this. And you got to be real careful with this. And you see how fast it cut in. I mean, it just pulled it right in. I got all this to catch all the flakes. So my next size is going to be a 1/2 inch. Because if I check, it still ain't close. Ain't even close to getting it in there. So, 1/2 inch. And make sure it doesn't go pulling it in like it did. Just trying to look through it real fast, so trying to take it slow as I can. And as it grabs, just stop. So that's the 1/2 inch. And still definitely not big enough yet. So next one is going to be the 1732nd. Not the 1764, 1732nd. The only reason why I'm saying that is I almost bought the 64 by not reading stuff right. I'm trying to get this guy not to grab, which he wants to grab real quick on this magnesium. Okay, that should get us real close. And I can see that it's super close, but guess what? I'm still gonna have to take a file to it, but it shouldn't be much. And then I'll be able to press fit this in. So, I'm gonna pause, because my file's not in reach. I'm gonna have to go get it. So, pausing. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to try and file it the rest of the way because I don't have anything close enough. My next size would be way too big. So, got my round file, rat tails, whatever you want to call it. I got to be careful because I'm real close oil cooler. And I don't want to be poking it. It's going to be a process. Almost. Shouldn't be too much. What I'm trying to do is go in a circle and try to get it evenly around it. So I'm going around the whole thing. And it should fit. And what I'm trying to do is just get this part here to fit in, and this is going to get crushed into it. So I just want this. I'm getting close. It's not a lot, but I want to take it slowly. All right. So I'm back again. The way I'm doing it is I had to keep opening up just a little, so I got it to where it would start pulling in easy. I got a long bolt with a sleeve and a nut, so this way I can pull it in because it is a tight fit. You know, you don't want that thing turning. I've already done this once or twice and it gets stuck, and I'd have to pop it back out. I'm going to have to swap the nut, so I'm going to pause because the nut's hitting the flywheel. So pause again. Almost there. Actually, I can see the case nut end. Just trying to get at that last piece and make sure it's nice and snug. Fun stuff. That's why we do this, because we enjoy this stuff. Almost there. Whoa. Stay. Okay. I'll take the camera off and show you. Pause again. And you can see it's all the way up. Haven't taken this off yet, but this is how I did it. Got a piece of tubing. I found, I think that's to a fuel line, and put it together because I had to not mess with my piece here. And scary? Yes. First time doing it, always scary because you're afraid maybe you'll crack it. But a 1732 drill bit will work. This stuff is super soft. I mean, the drill bits grab and go. You got to be real careful when you're doing it by hand and not in a press. But it's in. That's what you got to do if you put in a doghouse cooler with a doghouse shroud. You cannot get to this nut when it's the casing's in because it now comes over and blocks this. So you got to have this chase nut there. Have a great one.